Sam Livecast. It's this week.
The ultimate root.
The ultimate root, ginger week. We're gonna make a little pasta with ginger as an important part of it. So,
I don't know if I've ever had ginger pasta.
well, there's gonna be other stuff in there,
Obviously.
but it's gonna be delicious. So I'll start with the mushrooms and. Look, you can buy mushrooms already cut in the store. And I used to do that, but I find that the slices are too big. They're like this. And I don't like that. I like them when they're thinner. So I buy them now and I cut my own. Not a big deal. Look, it's fast. Of course, I have a sharp knife, but
You get more when you don't buy them pre-cut.
I don't know. I mean, I guess I don't know. It's
There's
probably
gotta be an extra cost for cutting them.
right. It's got to be cheaper, right? So these are just going to go in this little pan. The heat's on. I've got the water boiling for my pasta, which I can probably put that in. Back up, Junior. Then we'll deal with the question is, do I have like Asian noodles, which I believe I don't. And when you don't, then you go to
Next best thing?
spaghetti. which is fine, because really think about what chow mein is. It's really just like this, right?
You never said anything about an Asian-y noodle.
Uh,
Asian-y pasta.
oh, it doesn't have to be Asian-y. Did I say?
Well,
What
you're
did I
talking
say?
about.
There's a fly in here, and I'm just pissed right off at it.
There it is.
I don't know where it went. Okay. Whenever you put pasta in a pot, stir it, because it will stick together, and you don't want it to do that.
Don't put oil in it.
No oil, not necessary.
Your sauce will just dry up your pasta.
Right, so these are starting to do their thing. We'll give them a little olive oil. Not extra virgin. Oops. All right, now we make a little sauce. It's really simple. Back up, here's what it is. Rice vinegar, soy, honey, lemon. Rice vinegar, soy, honey, lemon. Rice vinegar, honey, soy, lemon. Honey. Oh, that fly was right here and pissing me off. So rice vinegar, soy.
There he is. He's back.
Bastard. Soy, honey.
Yeah, he's taunting me.
He's taunting me. I need to like cut this tip so it's rice vinegar, soy, honey, lemon juice. And now ginger.
Magic ingredient. Right?
Use like this much. So here's what we're gonna do. I could grate it. All I want to do is cut the bark off. Right? And now cut it into these coins. And then do this. Hold on. Mushrooms. Nice. Don't need them done any more than that. Pasta. You can tell, you see how it doesn't bend nicely? Still needs a couple minutes. Back to my ginger. And what have I got? I got a couple tablespoons of the soy, a couple tablespoons of the rice vinegar. Lots of ginger. What did we say the other day? Artichoke forward. We want this to be ginger forward. What a great little root this is.
Such a potent smell.
That's unbelievable. And there is no, they make powdered ginger. It is just not the same thing. Don't even think about making this recipe.
And ginger is so cheap.
Yeah, it's crazy.
That huge thing was probably like $1.
We did the that breakfast a few weeks back with the smoothie and ginger. Ginger absolutely made it. Right? Almost there. Let's see what we're doing here. I don't think it's ready. No. No. Hey, I have a simple request. When you're done watching this, not now, when you're done, call a friend, tell them you just watched this, you liked it, they should watch. Turn people on to us. That way we can do more, better, bigger things for you. Promise. More people watch, you get more better shit at home. You get more better stuff at home. Promise. See ya. All right, so the noodles are ready. Let's do this. Let's drain the noodles. Come. Drain the noodles. Oh,
Sorry.
you there? No problem.
Steamy.
Steamy, let's take them over. You go there. A little sesame chili. Oh, fuck. Am I good?
I think you're good.
Nice. Little sesame chili oil
Nice.
in the pan.
Oh wow.
The noodles. Wow, I could have used a bigger pan.
Yeah, you could have.
Shit.
Too late now. Yeah.
And now the sauce. Okay, well, let it heat. Back up, back up, back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. While it heats.
Hi, Lucky.
Cilantro. Cilantro, pan. Wow. Look how fast that was.
Damn.
Where am I putting them in? Where am I putting them in? Damn it.
Some bowl?
I'll go like this.
Glass bowl.
No.
Wow.
Mushrooms. Cilantro.
Damn, those
Ginger,
look perfect.
honey, soy, chopstick, shit. Sesame seeds. Nobody move. Sesame seeds, sesame seeds, sesame seeds. Shit, 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 shit. How can I not have sesame? I have sesame seeds. Do you see them? Are you looking?
I'm over there.
Come look. I got it. Right here, right here, right here. Boom. And here we go. Let's try these. Sesame ginger noodles with cremini mushrooms. They could have been shiitakes, but the store was out of shiitakes. Oh my god. Noodles, perfectly al dente.
Love that.
Not mushy. Beautiful flavor from the ginger. That nice little sesame chili oil kick at the end. But the ginger is like right up here. Oh my god, so good. Okay. Look. I want you to make these. If you have like Asian noodles, use Asian noodles. If you don't, use freaking spaghetti like I did and you'll be fine. Alright. That's it for today. See you next time. Sorry for the eating. When we do more ginger. Don't eat shitty food. See ya.